So this is my project 2, the smart mirror. First, I'm zoomed out a little bit just so you can see my full mirror because it's 1920 by 1080 pixels, and the web browser cuts off some of it if I'm fully zoomed in. So starting with date and time, I'm calculating this with a JavaScript date object. That's how that's able to be made. Next is the events. As you can see, it's currently 4:53 p.m. And since it has already passed these times, these events have been sort of grayed out and hidden, just letting you know they've been passed. And the green ones are saying that they're still coming up. And these events are loaded in with a JSON file, and the size of this box will be determined based on the number of events in it. The weather is created with a weather API. So this is all real-time accurate information. The lows are shown with a cold blue color and to the left first, since we're going low to high. That's how users will normally read. And a quick little description of what the weather is doing, which I think is better than a icon because it's a little more clear of what the icon is trying to say. And then we have the health information, which I have this bar, which helps you visualize how you're sleeping, as well as the accurate statistics that are used to create this bar. And then below that is some information of how your sleep is compared to last week. For example, if I go into the code and make it so that they actually slept better last week than they have this week, you will see that it will now turn red saying you're down because you're not sleeping as well as you were last week. And then finally, we have the news, which will rotate through different news stories. For the advanced features, users are able, as you can see, to move around objects. As well as they are able to change the color of the UI by clicking these buttons down here. And so those are some of the customizable options for them.